Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a law of attraction video. I feel like I haven't done one in a pretty good amount of time, so I wanted to start something off really positive and just inspiring because why not? Everyone loves a good inspo story. I know I do. I know when I'm feeling down, I just like to watch other people's manifestations and just things like that to kind of get my vibration up, my good vibes up. So I'm going to tell you guys how I manifested $600 in 1 week. So I always get very anxious when it gets about like August, September because both of my kids' birthdays are in November and December, and my one daughter's birthday always falls on Thanksgiving or like the day before or the day after, and then my other daughter's birthday is 4 days before Christmas, and then my nephew's birthday is like 2 weeks before my other daughter's birthday in November. So it's just like super stressful, and it's not that we don't have money or anything like that. I don't know, my husband doesn't get stressed, but I get stressed, and I don't know, I want to take the burden off of him, and I don't know, I like being able to help out, and I just want to be able to help and feel like I'm kind of like doing my part, even though I am. But you know, if you're a mom and you're a stay-at-home mom, you just kind of like fight yourself on that back and forth. It's really weird. I don't know how to explain it, but so I was like, I want to manifest. What did I say? I said I want to manifest $400 so that I can start Christmas shopping. I always start super early. That way I have it all done by, I want to say, the end of October, so we can really enjoy the holidays and not have to worry like, did I get everyone Christmas presents? And then we also like to donate money to a family in need or kids at the hospital too. So I always want to make sure that we have plenty of money to be able to give to them as well. So every night before I would go to bed, I actually stopped trying to manifest things because I felt like things were just happening and really great like opportunities were coming my way. And when you get into a flow state, you're just so high vibrational and you're just in such good energy space that things just naturally come to you, and you're working but you're doing what you love and you're just not even thinking about it. So like the universe, or God or whoever, they don't really hear what you're saying. They kind of pick up more of what you're putting out there. So if you're saying like, God, universe, like I really need $700 million and I just really need it, they're not going to hear like the words. They're going to more so hear like your intent. They're going to hear how you feel about it, and they're going to be able to it can feel like what's on the inside. If you're like begging, it's going to take that almost as negative energy. So anyway, I was like a little bit stressed about it. So what I did was one night I was like, I would love, as I'm laying in bed in my head, I'm like, because that's when you're most rested. I feel like that's when you're like trying to come down and you're just like not worrying about kids screaming in your ear, your husband nagging you, or whatever it may be. I'm just totally joking. He doesn't nag me, but whatever. You're just like chilled out, you're relaxed. And I'm like, all right, I want to manifest some money. If it's $20, if it's $1,000, if it's $50, anything would be super helpful because I want to be able to help my husband out. I want to be able to give back, and I want to be able to make sure just everything runs smoothly. I'm such a planner. I love planning super ahead of time just because I don't want anything bad to happen, especially around the holidays because it's like super sensitive time of the year. It's when my daughter passed away. So I'm like, that would just make me feel so incredible, and I just like thought in my head how I would feel if I was able to manifest that and able to really help out. And it made me feel really good, really excited, and I was thinking of all the things like I could plan with that money and what I would do and how I would organize all of that and then where I would go from there. And it just got me feeling really excited. It got me feeling like motivated and inspired and just like wanting to wake up the next morning to work really hard to just, you know, attack my goals, my dreams, whatever. And then I said, thank you. I'm super grateful. If it's not meant to be and it doesn't work out, that's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll figure something out and it'll just all work out. I'm just grateful for whatever happens because I know that's the right path I'm supposed to be on. Literally, I woke up the next morning, I had 2 jobs offers that I wanted to take, and then I think 3 days later I had like 3 job offers that I took, and then literally from there I was just like working, and it was like boom, and I was so excited because it was all brands that I loved and like I feel really good about, because I only take job offers that I believe in, that I think are good, that excite me, that I think would be fun to show you guys, that I would want to see, or you know what I mean. So I was super excited, super grateful, and each job I felt like went so smooth. Everything went according to plan. The brands were super happy with the content I created, and then that left me feeling like so in such a flow state where I just wanted to keep going and keep creating, and it got me excited and it got me inspired and motivated, and it's just like I didn't want to stop. And then it became like a domino effect where it turned out in like 1 week I had made $600, and I was just like, what? And I literally got all my Christmas shopping done for both of my girls, and then I was able to put some money aside so that I can actually surprise my husband this year, because it's hard to surprise him because I spend his money to be able to buy him gifts. So I was so excited I was able to buy him something this year that I'm going to be able to surprise him with. And yeah, it just got me so motivated. And then honestly, because I was so happy and like just radiating positive vibes, I felt like more opportunities were coming my way. So what I try to do is I try to wake up every morning, and even if I don't have something that I want to manifest specifically, I always say I'm so grateful for the abundance of opportunities I'm going to receive today. And honestly, even if something goes wrong, I try not to like pry on that. I try to think of, I am so grateful I have the opportunity to go to the gym. I'm so grateful I have the opportunity to stay at home with my kids, even if she's teething and screaming in my face or whatever it may be. I just try to remind myself of all the great things. And if you have a really bad day, which I do, we all get like down in the dumps, it's fine. Don't beat yourself up. That's when I really take my opportunities before bed to watch like really inspiring manifestation videos. And that's when I really take the time to watch law of attraction videos, or if you're religious, watch religious videos. Everyone says to me, is law of attraction going against your religion, this and that? It's all what you have faith in. That's what the law of attraction is. It's not a certain God that you're praying to. It's not like praying to the universe. It's what you believe in. If you don't believe in God, it would be praying to the universe. If you don't believe in that kind of stuff, it would be praying to whatever God it is or whoever you pray to. So that's what the law of attraction is. It has nothing to do with religion. It's just what makes you feel good, what makes you feel positive, what makes you feel happy. And honestly, it works as a magnet, I believe. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys manifest anything using my techniques, let me know. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.